I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Indian eggplant dip. Now, with an eggplant dip, you always want to start with a cooked eggplant because you certainly don't want to eat a raw eggplant. So I have roasted the eggplant. What I did was I poked it with holes all over. If you don't do that, it explodes and makes a terrible mess in your oven. Poked it all over and roasted it at 375 for about 45 minutes. And you know, when it's all soft and droopy like this, it's done. I'm gonna start with some garlic. Actually roasted the garlic as well for about 20 minutes. I rubbed some olive oil on the outside of the skin. And I'm gonna put that in the food processor first so that it gets ground up. It's especially important if you're using raw garlic in a dip. Okay, I'm gonna, there. This is all nice and tender. And I can mostly just peel away the skin and the flesh comes off of it like that. Some people take the seeds out. They think it makes it bitter. I've never found that it made it taste bitter. Gonna add some cumin. Some lemon juice. Olive oil. And some salt. Then I'm going to mix this up with some yogurt. The reason I didn't put the yogurt directly in the food processor is because it'll break it down, it'll make it way too liquidy. And you know, you want a dip to be more thick and creamy. And there you have an Indian eggplant dip.